I think I will start from the home. I'm the eldest of 7 children, and I come from a family with very strong women. My mother is a very strong woman, and she was also a student leader at the University of the Philippines. In fact, she was, I think, the vice president of the UP Student Council. Grandmother, paternal grandmother. She lived to be almost 100 years old. She was a very staunch supporter of anti-human rights violations. So she founded an organization for the desaparecidos, yung mga nag-disappear during the martial law years. Because my Uncle Herman was among those who disappeared during martial law. I never intended to enter politics. I wanted to become a doctor. So health was really my focus and my desire, no, to help heal communities. So sabi ko, sige, kasi tatakbo siyang senador, gusto niya ako daw i-try mag-congress. Sabi ko, kapitan muna ako. So tama-tama naman pag uwi ko ng barangay elections in a few months. So that's how I started. And it was a very good start because I became abreast with what was happening in the ground, and that was my foundation because barely 2 years after that, I ran for Congress. For some time, nakita namin how effective yung Mongo rice curls and meals na binibigay namin sa mga bata. Kasi here in Tabaco, ang finifeed namin yung mga pregnant women and lactating women, and then we also give complementary food para sa 6 months old up to 2 years old, regardless of nutritional status. So lahat sila binibigyan namin kasi nga we want to prevent stunting. And then, from 2 years old up to 5 years old, meron kaming supplementary feeding na binibigay. Before, binibili namin yan lahat. No? And we spend around 7 million para dito sa mga rice mongo blend meals. And we decided, since DOST technology to, bakit hindi tayo ang mag-produce ng sarili natin? And so we just started our own production center. The training has not started yet. It will be in March. So ang makikita ninyo dun sa production center, yung layout pa lang. But the sample of what we feed them can be shown to you. And we have seen very good results sa Operation Timbang ng mga bata. And yung stunting talaga, bumaba. It's rice and munggo. Kaya ginawa namin, we tap the NGO naman, CSO naman, kababaehan, sila magtatanim ng munggo for us. And doon kami mag-purchase ng munggo. Okay? So, yung munggo, maganda siyang panghalili sa rice para bumalik uli yung nutrients ng lupa. No? So, lahat na nahihit. No? So, we are going to start with Tabaco, but we want to also supply the whole Albay. So, yung entrepreneurial spirit ng mga kababaihan, sila, sabi niya, bakit kami lang magsusupply ng munggo? Gusto rin namin maging, na mag-supply nung mismong produkto. Oo. So, instead yung mga cheese curls na nakukuha natin sa mga sari-sari store, yun na, ba't hindi na lang yun? Kasi talagang nutritious snacks siya. And masarap. Malaking influence yung aking pagiging nurse. Kasi health talaga yung natutukan namin. Sinimulan namin sa RH, of course. Meron kaming, i-open na namin yung aming Women's Crisis Center and Children's Center. Meron din kaming WOW, Women of Wonder na center para sa mga kababaihan ng Tabaco. pasok ko talaga, grabe yung problema sa nutrition. And stunting, which is irreversible after age 2. No, so we really have to work fast. And we have seen that yung aming tutok sa nutrition really paid off. Number 1, naghanap ako ng nutritionist. Kasi hindi naman ako pwedeng naan dyan. So we have a nutritionist. And I think not all LGUs have one. No? And then, sinuportahan namin mga pangangailangan niya with the staff, with the budget, and most of it comes from the GAD. In fact, I think 30% of our budget sa GAD napupunta sa nutrition. And we have seen the results. Stunting has really gone down. The underweight and the mga severely wasted, the wasting has also gone down tremendously. So, in fact, Green Banner awardee na kami for several consecutive years na dito sa Tabaco. Lagay ko, yung sa aming battle cry dito, no, that we are anchored on faith, hope, and love. Okay? Alam ko, biblical siya, and pero it goes beyond all religions naman. No, kung meron kang pananalig sa Diyos, pananalig sa kapwa mo, palagay ko, it will push you to go far. Faith is believing in something that you do not see. And I think that really anchors us. No? Hope is aspiring for something more than what you have now. And I think that makes us human, to always want something better. No? So I think that's very important. And love. Nothing will be complete if you do not do it out of love. So I think with those 3, anchoring Tabaco, no, I see Tabaco as yung holistic na yung development. Hindi lang siya progressive pagdating sa infrastructure, pero yung human infrastructure din, napakahalaga. Hindi lang siya anchored sa physical needs, pero fulfilled din siya sa spiritual needs niya. So, importante para sa akin yun. And giving back to the community is something that is very important for me. I want leaders that would lead by example.